So I studied chemical engineering at UCLA. So I had a couple of mentors while I was at UCLA. One was my boss in the engineering ambassadors program, Erky Kapuz. He also was a counselor for chemical engineering. He was really helpful at helping me figure out what about chemical engineering was what I wanted to do and kind of decide between that and a couple of other things. Also various professors. Now at this point, it's mostly my mom. She obviously has a wealth of life experience and information. And then also a lot of people in her network have been just super helpful about giving advice and contacts and editing cover letters, that kind of thing too. So yeah. Somewhere between 60,000 and 65,000 euro a year. I think my greatest strengths are that I am very versatile and I'm very good at like communicating between different worlds. I think I'm really good at for example, packaging scientific concepts for people who might be unfamiliar, communicating between different areas of specialty, and just kind of recognizing like what those different stakeholders value and how to combine them all into whatever the problem solution is or whatever the project is that I'm working on, just to kind of really hone in on like people's individual needs and wants, and then also how they fit into the bigger picture. So I think they would describe me as being very versatile, being good at problem solving, and being pretty persuasive. If I can see that there's something that can be improved upon, I'm pretty good at voicing that and voicing with reason behind it. Yeah, I think my main thing is just to really stick with my intuition when picking companies and picking jobs, to really just remember what I value, sustainability, good work culture, and just kind of keep those in the back of my mind when I'm picking things, because at that point I think it's hard to go wrong, even if something isn't necessarily what I thought I was going to be doing. As long as it serves those things, I think that's enough. So yeah.